The first thing we have is the 1/4x20 screw and the wing nut. The 1/4x20 screw is ground down on the sides to fit in between the wing nut. And it's a special 1/4x20 screw. It's a little bit longer than the one that comes with it. Then that just it'll fit right into the clamp. That's the clamp. The clamp has 2 screws, and then with 2 nuts on each side. They just 2 nuts. One is used just to lock the other one in place, so the screws don't move. Then we just take and screw the 1/4x20 screw in the standard hole that's put for the pipe. And you can still use it the normal way. It locks the pipe into place, the adjustment pipe. And we just screw the wing nut into place, and that'll push the clamp up against the pipe. And we have the 2 screws are set with enough distance to allow the X-Force tracker to lock right into place, and you can see the cutouts in the X-Force tracker, and those cutouts just fit right in, and then you just twist and that'll lock it. That'll lock it right into place. And it's real simple. Comes off and on, real easy. Just pop it off, twist, and we just go and put it right back on.